Ay, bongga-bonggang Stephanie! Nakuha niya ang bulaklak!
Kaya, hindi pwede just going to put the garter, JJ. Sige, ilagay mo sa right leg ng
Oh my gosh! Go, Steph!
ating lucky lady, si Steph.
Oh my God!
Okay, up to the knee high, Jay. Okay, that's
Oh
it.
my God!
So we're just going to have a picture taking. Hindi ko rin pwedeng ipag-kiss kasi nga, they are cousins. Okay, so we'll just have the picture taking with our
Ay, taba ni Stefan! Ayoko na, yana ako. Aro, magkatuluyan pa yata.
Okay, thank you so much, JJ and Steph. This time we're going to move on to our releasing of the dogs.
Okay, kuwang-kuha ka
Then
na ba
after
si
this,
Steph?
we only have two parts, which is the message of the parents and
Ano
the
itong mga
message
to?
of the
Kain pa
couple.
rin
So
ng
please do
kain
stay
hanggang
with us.
ngayon.
Konting-konti na lang po.
Akin yan.
Okay.
Kagatin mo, ha? Akin yan.
Hold the dog, Steve.
Stephanie, nga, wala si
Alam mo dapat sa
Okay, we'll just wait for the dog of Jeline.
Wow!
Okay, you let the dog peck each other first.
Ito, kain ng kain. Ewan ko kung bakit.
Okay, together with the dog, you kiss each other. Okay, this time
Wow!
we're going to
Subo ng
release the
subo.
dog. 1, 2, 3. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan po natin ang ating newlyweds. It says that the releasing of the dog tells us that the marriage is not a cage nor a prison, but a venue for emotional, physical, psychological, and spiritual growth of